So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of clips at the bottom. But over here, you can see those clips also have audios attached to them. So this is quite helpful if you want the video and audio to remain in sync, but sometimes what happens is that you may want to work around with audio separately. You might want to add in music, or you want the video to play faster than the audio, or you want the audio to come before the video. So in order to do that, you can simply separate out the audio and video. And to do that, it is quite simple. Simply right click and you have an option to separate the audio and video. So once you click on separate audio and video, you can see that the video clip is separate to the audio. It is here. Now, what you can do is you can move around the audio left or right, just like that, and let the audio come before or after. So if you were to play this out, home, insert, design. So you don't want the audio right here. So you want it to come here in setting. So you can see that the video is independent of the audio now. So if I were to play the video, there's nothing on the video in itself. So you want to correct out an audio. Let's say you want to replace the audio. You want the audio to be delayed and so forth. You can just separate out the audio and video just like that. Now you may want to join this out altogether again. So what you can simply do is you can right click and then group this out just like that to make sure that it is acting like a single group as well, just like that. So that is the way on how you can separate audio and video inside of Camtasia. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.